from anywhere in the world. This is going to be a very simple method that you will absolutely love. Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. Now let's dive in straight into the video.
Languages. 2. 3. Help. Everyone knows the key to make money is the right source. Just believe it. David Stern. Watch how this works. Welcome to StarClicks. Get it done quickly. Watch the explanatory video to see how you can make money and sign up to join the big community. With StarClicks you get the opportunity to earn money easily. It is a piece of cake. Join millions today. How to convert your time to profit with star-clicks.com. All it takes is to sign up for an account and it is all free. Join now and experience online earning for real. 1. Step 1. Sign up. Sign up for a publisher account. Sign up now. 2. Step 2. Sign in. We will send an activation email and a verification code to your mobile phone. 3. Step 3. Click the ads. You get paid instantly for every advertising link you click, provided by our advertisers. 4. Step 4. Withdraw money. Transfer your money from your account to PayPal, bank account, and more. Me account features. 1 cent minimum per click. This is the minimum you earn when you click an ad. You may get paid more than 1 cent per ad. Payout/withdrawal methods. Withdraw to PayPal, bank transfer, and more. Click every day. Ads are provided daily in your account, so make sure you come back and click every day. Silver/gold/platinum. There are 3 types of memberships. New members are automatically silver membership. Other memberships provide different benefits. Desktop and mobile. Download our mobile app from Apple Store or Android Market and make money with your phone. Get paid for referrals. Refer your friend and see how you make even more money. Many ways to transfer your money. HTML code provides more ads to click and is available to gold members or platinum membership. If you are a gold member or platinum membership, you should see the links and information below. How to use HTML code. HTML code should be used on your web page or website. If you do not have a web page, you can create one for free on www.weebly.com or www.wix.com. You will need to copy and paste the HTML code to the source section of your web page. This is where you want to display the ads. Once the ads are displayed on your web page, you get paid each time your visitors click the ads on your web page, and you can see the balance on this page. HTML code settings. Number of ads per ad text. Select. Border color. Pick color. Current color is #FF0000. Background color. Pick color. Current color is #00FF00. Title color. Pick color. Current color is #0000FF. Text color. Pick color. Current color is #FF0000. HTML code status. Select. HTML code. HTML code access. To maximize your earnings and reach daily estimate earning, please this code on your web page and get paid for clicks on the ads in HTML code.